Hello. Welcome to my channel DeveloperDade. In this video I am going to show you top 9 programming channels for everyone. If you are an expert programmer or just starting out, there is something useful for everyone. At number 9 we have Web Prodigies. This channel is for advanced web developers. Because the projects that this channel teaches you to build are totally insane and blow your mind. A great channel for those who want to create massive projects. This channel is in English. At number 8 we have JavaScript Mastery. Like the channel we have seen before, this channel create many projects with high quality content. There are also many crash courses in this channel. But this channel is not beginners but a heaven for intermediate and advanced developers. At number 7 we have ABN College. This channel is in Hindi and offers wide range of high quality courses completely free. Best for developers at all stages. At number 6 we have Webdev Simplified. This is a channel for web developers at all stages. Because this channel not only teaches you about the updates and latest tech industry, but also have tutorials on many great things that people don't even know about. At number 5 we have Fireship. This is one of the great programming channels at YouTube because it is like a complete news channel for programmers. His courses are paid but there are many other things to explore in his channel. Also his knowledge about programming is insane. At number 4, we have Free Code Camp. This YouTube channel is for everyone. If you are a beginner or expert, if you are a web developer, a hacker, a game developer, or anything related to IT and computer science, you will always find something useful in this channel. At number 3, we have Code with Harry. It is like Free Code Camp but in Hindi. While you not find regularly 10 hours courses in this channel, like Free Code Camp, but still as many courses quality and teaching style outstands Free Code Camp. At number 2, we have Coding Addict. This is a brilliant YouTube channel for web developers. His teaching style is extremely great that you can understand all the complex things easily. I have also learned complete MERN stack and Next.js from his channel. And now learning TypeScript from his latest course. At number 1, we have DeveloperDade. This is a new YouTube channel, so go and subscribe this YouTube channel for great content. All the channels in this video are great and valuable. Like and subscribe my channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.